Hi, this is Nick Reck, physical therapist at Reck Physio. Today I'm going to show you how to do a soft tissue mobilization using a lacrosse ball to help with arch pain or foot pain. So you just have your ball on the ground and you're going to do a pressure wave, just rolling the ball around on the arch, putting as much pressure down as is tolerable for you. It should be a little bit uncomfortable, but try to smile through it. And you're going to look for the spots that might be a little more tender, and you're going to focus on those areas. So if you find a spot that's a little tender, you want to try to work there. You can do a couple different techniques to work on that. You can do a floss, where you just bend your toes. So curl and extend your toes to kind of work that tissue over that ball to help free up the fibers there and to help it move a little better. You can also do a contract, where you really try to squeeze it for a second and relax. That's just kind of bulking up the muscles in that area, the little muscles in the arch of your foot. Those are so the pressure wave, just rolling it around, kind of finding the tight spots, and then really working on those by doing the flossing, just bending and straightening your toes out, or doing a contract, relax. You really want to spend time, at least a couple minutes, if you're having some pain, to give it enough time to be able to make a change in the tissues. Okay, but if you're having foot pain, this is a great exercise to try.